Okay, welcome back to a spin-off episode of building a lamp pod, 6 lamp pod. Yep, so what we've got here is kindly donated by ABS Motorsport. He had it laying around, didn't need it, so it's a 4 lamp. Metro's 6R4s have 6 lamps because obviously they're super brilliant. And yeah, so we got ourselves a cheap fiberglass in random fiberglass kit off eBay. We've got an angle grinder, we've got a template, which we've obviously is going to go down the other way, but so we need to make 2 of these up. Got a sheet of fiberglass again, thank you ABS Motorsport. So I think what we're going to do, mark them out, get them ground out and cut out. We're going to cut some strips, which will then make a base around this, and we'll do that as one operation. And then the second operation will be to fiberglass them onto the thing. Obviously, we're going to be cutting all the back off this, but I'm going to leave all that. I'm going to wait till we actually get to the point where we need to go fit it on the car. For now, we need to just create more lamp pods, basically 2 more lamp pods. So let's get on with it. Okay, my first attempt. Some pegs. And some masking tape. I'm going to try and fiberglass all the way around, but not all the way around. So when we release it, hopefully this will stay and this will spring open, then we can then trim that off to help mate and join to that. Sort of looks like a circle. I think it'll be alright once there's a spotlight in there. So yeah, let's get the other one done. We've got 2. I think it's a case of mixing up some fiberglass now and getting them bonded on before all the masking tape pulls apart. So let's do that. Alright, well, let's see if that goes off with enough catalyst in it. See if I put enough in. It said only 2%, 3%. I don't measure it correctly anyway. Fingers crossed. Okay, lights fading on a day like this. So yeah, just took them inside, stuck them on a radiator. Tell that I've got the mixture right, look, brush there, good. So I'm hoping we take these off. That's all right. There. So we just go trim these off now, so they're a bit shorter, and then we can look about mounting them on. Okay, we've taped them on, roughly how I think they might look okay. I've just taken a picture and then flipped it upside down because I'm doing it upside down just so I can sort of see if it looks all right, and if it does, we'll lay it down, try and space it out. These spotlights are on a slight curve. I don't think it really makes too much difference, but we want to try and get the spotlights to at least not completely point in the wrong directions. I did have them around the wrong way, even though I had arrows, but so I swapped them around. Looking good. All right, we've got it jigged best we can. We're just going to smack it. There's adjustment in the spotlights. It'll look fine at 100 mile an hour. Okay, well, I don't know how crooked I got them, but it's fiberglass in it, so we get it on the car. If they don't look right, we cut them, tweak them, fiberglass them back up again. But yeah, can't wait to turn that over and have a look. So we let it go off, put a little bit more hardener in. Or I'll put less resin in to harden us. So I used way too much, I wasted too much, but hey ho. Yeah, come back in a bit. Alrighty, it's nearly gone off. Some bits are a bit, well, put way too much gel coat on, gel, but that's fine, that'll all come off later. There we go. But yeah, just the masking tape to take off now, and yeah, bit of filler, bit of primer. That'll do, won't it? That's going to look good. We can make that work. Drill a load of holes now, fit the bulbs and the holders and everything. Cheers guys, have a good evening. Pork chop for tea.